and it's Cinco de Mayo. Guys, welcome back. Chef Jenna here, Purple Spoon Productions. You know what's happening. It's Taco Tuesday. It's also Cinco de Mayo, which is basically my holiday. We should call it Chef Jenna's holiday. K or to S. Chef Jenna. Alright, so we're going to throw it down with a super simple steak taco. Soft taco, you've got some steak working.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we're going to rock it out.
No, just a couple simple, easy notes about, steak and tacos.
Which is like the Holy Trinity, right?
Exactly. So, I'll tell you what, let's
You
go.
got the steak, we're going to talk toppings quick. We have the chimichurri we made here from scratch, super easy. Garlic, some onions, some cilantro and parsley, olive oil to bring it all together. We've got your cilantro and your onions here. Some hot sauce, a little lettuce if you like, of course, limes for garnish. And tell us what we're doing with the steak here.
Okay, so this is just a flank steak, also known as a London broil. Okay. This is actually not very fatty, and it's actually kind of tough if you slice it the wrong way.
Oh, do tell us.
But it does take to a good marinade. And as you know, Jenna, I mean, like if you just do a little bit of cumin, as we've mentioned, a little bit of chili powder, maybe a little paprika, maybe even a little onion powder, a little garlic, a little fresh or powdered.
Yep.
And certainly salt.
Of course.
Right.
Salt and pepper, people, come on. They're the cousin you want to love.
Right. And a little bit of cumin canner.
Of course.
Okay. And so, and you can also make a marinade, but in this case, we just did a little bit of just the spices on, and we did about 20 minutes ahead of time. You can put it on right before you put it in a hot pan or on a grill. Mm-hmm. But in this case, it's just it's going to be better if we let those spices kind of just
give them a little time to get to know each other.
Exactly, the steak and the spices are just kind of get together.
So we threw ours in a pan.
Exactly.
You can throw yours on the grill, indoor, outdoor, whatever works for you. Go for nonstick. That way you have easy cleanup. And we're going to slice into this and see how good.
A note on slicing. Okay, as you can see, a lot of meat cuts will have kind of, let's put it, lines. Okay,
yeah.
We call it the grain in the business. Okay, and the grain will run one way.
Right.
Okay.
You want to go.
Exactly. You want to go against the grain. That's 90 degrees.
90 degrees, people. You heard it here first. Against the grain.
Now, and I've also taken this about medium in the pan, but you also want to let it rest for a couple minutes, so you're not slicing all the juices are coming out.
I love it. All right, I'm going to let you do that. We're going to get our perfect tortillas here. We're just going with the soft tortillas. Put them in some foil, 350 oven, or your toaster setting in your toaster oven. Make them nice and warm just so they're super flexible like so. We're going to do this with a little bit of sauce here.
Now, what kind of sauce is that?
Just some good old hot sauce.
Oh, so, okay.
Taco Bell sauce, whatever you have.
So, like, if you had, like, a taco, like, sauce, you could use it.
Taco sauce.
All right,
That's what I said.
No, you said taco.
Whatever sauce you want, guys. All right, we put that on here. This is looking beautiful. Medium rare. I'm going to get some of these good pieces in here. Oh, this is like really nice.
Oh, this is just coming out great.
This is like a good stuff. All right, another touch
now,
here.
I'm using flank steak here. I could also use like a skirt steak, which would be excellent.
So what is the difference? Is it the same flank steak?
No, different parts of the cow.
Okay.
The flank steak is going to appear basically, as basically a large, almost oval. It's almost going to be almost like a big rectangle.
Yeah.
And you can have grain running down it. Skirt steak is literally kind of the skirt from the diaphragm of the cow.
Right.
And it's going to have it's going to be more of a, how can I put it? It's going to be about 12 inches to 18 inches long, but it's going to be about 4 to 3 inches wide.
Right.
Right. Exactly.
But either or is good. Flank steak, skirt steak, London broil.
Just cut it against the grain. Okay?
You heard it here first. All right, let's do like a little cheers.
Oh, that's it?
These are looking good. That's it.
So we have a chimichurri, we have
That's it. Chimichurri, we did onions and cilantro, a little hot sauce. I went mild because, gringa.
Very traditional.
Very traditional. I like it.
Excellent.
Cheers.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo, guys.